Good morning, students. How are you? Right. So let us see. Pole, center of curvature. This is the focus. Half of the. This is center of curvature. This is focus. This is pole. Okay. The distance between center of curvature and pole is called radius of curvature. So ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ వరకు ఉన్నటువంటి దాన్ని మనము ఏమంటాము? సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ కర్వేచర్, దాన్ని మనం రేడియస్ ఆఫ్ కర్వేచర్ అంటాం. ఈ డిస్టెన్స్ ఏమంటాము? రేడియస్ ఆఫ్ కర్వేచర్ అంటాం. ఫోకస్ నుంచి పోల్ ఉండే డిస్టెన్స్ ఏమంటాము? ఫోకల్ లెంగ్త్ అంటాం. ఏమంటాం? ఫోకల్ లెంగ్త్ అంటాం. రైట్. ఎప్పుడైనా కూడా when you take a concave mirror is always going to give you real image. What we do, we take 6 cases. First of all, we place object somewhere at infinity. దూరంగా ఒక చెట్టు ఉంది. ఆ చెట్టుకి నేనేం చేస్తున్నానంటే ఈ కాన్కేవ్ మిర్రర్ని చూపిస్తున్నాను. Then when I place somewhere from somewhere infinity, at infinity, so infinity symbol, I get from there light rays are coming and falling onto the surface. All are going to form light rays. All are going to form from the focus, and one light ray I'll take from actual point, that is from center of curvature. Okay, then I'll get that is and one more light ray, that is from infinity. I'll take from infinity, and from the infinity it is going to come and fall on the other side also. From infinity I'll take one more point, and this will also form. So image is formed, very small image is formed here. Very point, very small image is formed. That is why when you take the sun rays are falling at one point, and you can take all those sun rays at one point, and all the rays from the sun coming from infinity, they join at one point, and the image is formed. Very sharp image is formed. Very sharp, very minute image is formed. That image is very small, very small. That image is going to get at focus. So you need to know, to get that you need a screen, right? Because it is real image, you need a screen. On the screen you will find the image. Okay, then next one we are going to see when the object is placed at infinity. So we need to write salt here, that is size, attitude, size of the image, attitude of the image, location of the image, location and type of the image type. So here the size of the image is diminished when the object is placed at a location at infinity. So image is formed at a focus. Image is formed at a focus. What type of image it is? It is a real image. Because it is inverted image, it is a real image. And attitude, it is inverted image. Size of the image is diminished image. Image is small. Attitude, if you see, it is inverted attitude. Location is formed where the location of the image is. It is at focus. Image is formed at focus. Type of the image is, that's a real and inverted image. Right? So this image is a real image. Type of the image is a real image where the location of the image is both at focus. At focus. You can write exactly if you want to write at focus. At focus. Right? So attitude of the image is inverted image. Right? Inverted image. And the image and object both are in front of the mirror only. Okay? Now, this is the first case. Case 1. When the object is placed at infinity, the light rays will come and they get reflected. They come from infinity and they get reflected at one point. Right? So infinity means there are n number of lines are going to come and join at one point. So they come from here. All are going to form image. All are going to form image at focus only. All the converge at one point. That is called a right. So actually, to draw this diagram, you require only two rays. One ray you need from the object, another ray we take from the focus. The light ray which is traveling from the focus. Okay? We'll take two lines only. Right? From the object through the focus. So, next case, let us see. So, where we place the object? When the object is placed at infinity. Object is placed at infinity. So, object ni infinite distance lo, ante manam kolavalenaటువంటి distance lo పెట్టినప్పుడు మనకు ఎంతటి ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఇమేజ్ వస్తుంది. సో ద ఇమేజ్ ఈస్ ఎ పాయింట్ ఇమేజ్, వెరీ స్మాల్ ఇమేజ్, అండ్ దట్ ఈస్ వై ద ఇమేజ్ ఈజ్ డిమినిష్డ్ ఇమేజ్. సైజ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఇమేజ్ ఇస్ డిమినిష్డ్ ఇమేజ్. మనం చెప్తున్నాం ఏమని, ఎన్లార్జ్ ఇమేజ్ కూడా ఫామ్ అవుతుంది రియల్ ఇమేజ్లో, కాన్కేవ్ మిర్రర్లో ఎన్లార్జ్ ఇమేజ్ కూడా ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. చూద్దాం ఎక్కడ ఎన్లార్జ్ ఇమేజ్ ఫామ్ అవుతుందో చూద్దాం. ఇప్పటికైతే చాలా డిమినిష్డ్ పాయింట్ ఇమేజ్ ఫామ్ అయింది. ఎక్కడ పెడితే ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఈస్ ప్లేస్డ్ అట్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ, ఇమేజ్ ఈస్ ఫార్మ్డ్ డిమినిష్డ్ ఇమేజ్, పాయింట్ ఇమేజ్. ఇట్ ఈస్ పాయింట్ ఇమేజ్. Image is point image and it is formed at focus. The location of the image is at focus. Type of the image is real image. Attitude of the image is inverted image. Right? Size of the image is diminished image. The salt and guర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. Salt means size, attitude, location, type. Salt. Okay, this salt you need to remember. Size of the image, attitude of the image, location of the image, type of the image. Right? So that you need to write, describe for every diagram. So this is the case 1. In case 1, what is salt? Size of the image is diminished image, attitude of the image is inverted image, type of the location is at focus, formed at focus, and type of the image is it is inverted, so type of the image is real image. It is inverted, that is why it rays are virtual images. Erected image called virtual image. Inverted image is called real image. Okay. Then this is case 1. In case 1, light rays coming from infinite distance, they are going to reflect at one point. Actually, we wrote so many rays are coming from infinite distance. You need only 2 rays, that is enough, more than enough. మన diagram ని describe చేయడానికి మనకు minimum కావాల్సింది 2 rays. One is from the object, another one you can draw even from the focus. Right? Now let us see the object when it is placed. Now object is placed at infinity. Now what I will do, I will bring that at least the minimum distance, little minimum distance beyond the center of curvature. So beyond the center of curvature, somewhere here I will place. What happens to the image? Let us see. This time I will take only 2 rays. One ray is from the object and another ray is also from the object but going through the focus. Right? This is center of curvature, focus. Right? All the rays. So here beyond the center of curvature I place. The object is placed beyond the center of curvature. Object is placed beyond the center of curvature. Now what happens? The light ray travels and hits and comes back. So one light ray, what I did, I draw that, and what happens here? It has one more light ray which is going through the focus, falling on the surface and coming back from there. The point where these 2 light rays which are coming down, so light ray from the top of the object and going and hitting there and coming back, and that edge I can see here, the point here is the image. From the point where these 2 rays are touched, at that point my head is reversed here. You can see exactly the point where the head is reversed and observe inverted image. Onto the plane, onto the axial line, right? Onto the axial line, the head is reversed and place the image. Image is formed. So image is object O dash, O dash, I dash is my image. Now one light ray, from 2 light rays only I draw this image. You can see here. In previous diagram we took several light rays and they are coming from infinity. So here only 2 light rays I took, but there are n number of light rays are going and hitting. See the light ray which is on the middle. So we see here that light ray is going back and hitting and coming in the middle of the image. You can see here. The middle of the object is going through the middle of the image. But from the focus only. From the point of focus only, the light ray will travel. That is how the middle of the image is formed. If you take light ray from the edge, okay, then onto the screen, then through this only you will find the light ray. Okay, so but it has to go onto the screen, right? I don't want to confuse you. Okay, so take only 2 rays so that you will understand how the light rays will travel. right? So light ray is coming from the head, is going through the image head, right? From the focus. Light ray taken from the focus, it will be coming out and it is being joined with the head of the image. So where the location now the image is formed between center of curvature and focus. When I brought here, you can identify one. Have you noticed? I brought object from infinity to beyond center of curvature. Image is always started from focus to in between center of curvature and focus. Have you seen this? So image brought nearer to the mirror. Object is moving away from the mirror. So when object is coming, mirror is moving. So like this they move. Okay. So when the object is coming nearer towards the mirror, image is moving away from the mirror. Image is moving away from the mirror. Now, this case, object is placed, second case, object is placed between, beyond the center of curvature. Beyond C. Object is placed beyond C, where infinite distance also beyond C only. But I brought a little nearer to the mirror. The object I brought little nearer to the mirror, not at infinity. I brought it little nearer to the mirror, and I took only two rays. One ray is the from head to onto the screen. Another ray through the focus onto the screen, onto the reflecting surface. And it forms image. It forms image. So here the image is I1, O dash is the object. So object, when you place the object, so object size is bigger and the image size is smaller. So again the size of the image is diminished image only. But little bit comparatively with the previous diagram, previous case. There it was point image, but here the image is little bigger in size. So the size of the image is increased. But comparatively with the object, the image size is smaller only. That is why we wrote a diminished image only. Attitude of the image, again it is inverted image only. Because it is inverted image, type of the image is real image only. And where the location is now not at focus. It is between C and F, that is between center of curvature and focus. The image is formed between center of curvature and focus, right? Or you can write focus and center of curvature also. Okay. Type of image is this real image. Location of the image is between center of curvature and focus. You understand this? Okay. These two diagrams I explained you. One more diagram I will explain you. So please bear with me. Right? Now what I will do, I bring this object I brought it from infinity to beyond center of curvature. Now a little more front I will take and I will place that in front of me on the center of curvature. Now what I will do, I will place the object on the center of curvature. What is going to be formed? Let us see. When the object is placed at center of curvature, at C. When the object is placed at C, let us see what happens. So case 3, third case. Case 3, object is placed at center of curvature C. Now let us see what happens. and F, and this is pole P. From the top, I'll take a line and it will come and join here, and from here I'll take another line and it will go and join here. Exactly the same image is going to form here. Right? So, what I did, previously the object was at infinity, image formed at a focus, small image is formed. When I brought object beyond the center of curvature, it was at infinity. Beyond center of curvature, the image was smaller in size and it has increased here across. And now the object size and image size both are same. Where when the object is placed at the center of curvature, object brought nearer, so image also moved away from the mirror. Have you seen now? Object infinity lo ఉన్నప్పుడు image ఏమో ఫోకస్ దగ్గర ఉంది. అదే ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ని సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ కర్వేచర్ దగ్గర తీసుకొచ్చేసరికి ఇమేజ్ కూడా సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ కర్వేచర్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళిపోయింది. సో ఇమేజ్ సైజ్ ఏమో డిమినిష్డ్ ఇమేజ్ ఉంది. ఫస్ట్ కేస్ when the object is placed at infinity, image is found at the focus and it is diminished to small point image and little bit bigger in size in case 2 when the object is brought beyond center of curvature. Image is formed diminished image only, but it is between center of curvature and focus. But here in third case, when the object is placed at the center of curvature, image is also formed at the center of curvature. So let us write size is same size of the image is formed. Same size. Attitude, it is inverted image only. Because it is inverted image, ఈ యారో మార్క్స్ తప్పకుండా పెట్టాలి. లైట్ రే ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తోంది ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తోంది అనేది ఈ రెండు యారో మార్క్స్ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. లైట్ రే వచ్చేది, లైట్ రే హిట్ అయిన తర్వాత, లైట్ రే రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అయిన తర్వాత వెళ్ళడం, ఇది తప్పకుండా మెన్షన్ చేయాలి. చేయకపోతే డయాగ్రామ్ విలువ ఉండదు. Arrow marks are compulsory, you are supposed to put. Then only we will come to understand from where light ray is coming and how it is going. Okay? Right. So object is O dash. Image I dash. So object size, image size is same and location is at the center of curvature. Object is placed at center of curvature. Image is also formed at the center of curvature. Object is placed at center of curvature. Image is also formed at center of curvature. Because it is inverted image, it is real image. Type of image is real image. So in these three cases, what do you observe? Object is placed at infinity. Image is formed at focus, and it is diminished image only, but it is inverted image and real image. When it comes to beyond the center of curvature, when I place the object, so I brought from infinity to beyond center of curvature. So image is increased little bit and image size is increased little bit, but it is still real image and inverted image only. And the object is placed beyond center of curvature and the image is formed between center of curvature and focus. When I place the object at center of curvature, image is also formed at center of curvature and the size of the image is same. So these three cases, three diagrams, you please draw and practice at home, write and learn. After teaching all this, if you don't learn, it will not fetch you anything. మీరు ఎంతో కష్టపడి గంట క్లాస్ ఏదైతే విన్నారో 1 hour అయినా క్లాస్ రైట్. ఈ 1 అవర్ క్లాస్ ఏదైతే ఉందో విన్నారో, ఈ 1 అవర్ క్లాస్లో మనం చెప్పుకున్నటువంటి ఈ ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్స్ అన్ని కూడా మీరు ఒకసారి చదివి అర్థం కాకపోతే మళ్ళీ అడిగినప్పుడు మీకు దానివల్ల ప్రయోజనం ఉంటుంది. మీరు ఇప్పుడు దీన్ని ఎలాగే వదిలేసినారంటే చదవకుండా, ఇది ఆల్రెడీ మనం ఇమాజిన్ చేసుకుంటా అర్థం చేసుకోవాల్సినటువంటి కాన్సెప్ట్స్. సో అలాంటివి మనము సరిగా అర్థం చేసుకోలేక, లేదంటే మీకు ఏదైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే నన్ను అడగలేకపోతే మాత్రం ఇబ్బంది పడతారు. రైట్. చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ టాపిక్ ఇది. రైట్. సో లైట్ రేస్ అండ్ హౌ లైట్ రేస్ ఆర్ ట్రావెలింగ్. రైట్. రే డయాగ్రామ్స్ అంటాం వీటిని. ఏం డయాగ్రామ్స్? రే డయాగ్రామ్స్. దీస్ రే డయాగ్రామ్స్ ఆర్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ because how light rays go and hit on the surface of the mirror and how it get reflected, and all these ray diagrams are going to be effective and they give you perfect information about image formation, how image is going to form. All these things are very important. Please practice. If you don't understand, ask me again. Okay, let us see tomorrow. Bye. Thank you.